Scene Clean sets ourselves apart from other companies is one, we're not a franchise. All of us that have been doing this here at the company have been doing it for several years. We're trained by a third party. The company itself is part of ABRA, which is the American Biorecovery Association. ABRA in itself, you have to be qualified and verified to even be part of that community. So they take great pride in trying to up the standards within the biohazard industry. We are a bio company only. We don't handle anything with fire or water or mold. We do the biohazard piece of it. We do some drug-related services, tear gas cleanup. We're full-time, that's all we do. The staff, we're covered under work comp. We have fully insured general liability. Our vehicles are dedicated just to the company. We're not taking personal vehicles to a job site. And really the thing that sets us apart is our reputation in Minnesota. We've been doing this for a long time, and we have a very solid reputation that we've built up over the years.